Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Catios, tested with real cats, that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Tuin Catio Outdoor Cat House. For multiple cats that need a lot of space, you are going to need an extra large cat patio. Tuin has you covered, with a 70-inch tall catio complete with 6 platforms, 2 resting boxes, and a middle platform. Made of high-quality wood, there's also a waterproof flat asphalt roof to protect your kitties from the elements. The mesh exterior is thin but durable, keeping your cats from escaping the enclosure. If you'd like, you can even combine multiple and create large enclosures to use as outdoor play areas. Moving on at number 4, we have the Outback Jack Outdoor Cat Enclosure. Outback Jack's Outdoor Cat Enclosure is a tent-style catio with an attachable mesh tunnel. The main tent portion gives your cat approximately 30 square feet of play space, and the 62-inch tunnel adds additional space and a short run track. Our tester reported this tent-style pull and snap catio assembles in under a minute, once you get the hang of it. The tunnel is akin to a collapsible indoor, and it comes compact in a circle and, once released, pops open into a full tunnel. Unfortunately, our tester noted the tunnel's zipper was faulty, so they were unable to attach it to the main tent. Although there are no internal features, like platforms, our tester liked that the mesh bottom seemed to create a more authentic outside experience for their cats since they could feel the ground on their paws. At number 3, we have the Kitty City Outdoor Mega Kit. Made of nylon mesh, the Kitty City Outdoor Mega Kit is well ventilated and perfect for playing out on the lawn. Our favorite part of the Mega Kit is that it's more than just a screened-off area for your cat to play outdoors. It also includes an elevated bed platform and multiple hiding cubbies, but the cubbies do not have a reinforced or supported floor. The big bonus with this catio is that it's expandable and customizable thanks to zippered side portals where you can attach extension sections, including tunnels. You don't have to worry about your smart cat finding a way out. The enclosure has 2 openings that can only be opened from a zipper on the outside. To keep it from flying away, included stakes can be placed into the ground, giving it a strong foundation. At number 2, we have the Basics Large Cat Playpen. This budget-minded crate-style catio is a convenient, temporary indoor catio. Our tester said the setup was simple and only took 10 minutes, but recommended having 2 people on the job. Our tester really liked that the catio was collapsible and could be wheeled to different locations. It was tested with their 4.5-year-old cat, Poppy, who was a bit hesitant to fully embrace the catio when placed inside. This may be because this catio has a strong cage, kennel-like feel that makes some cats uneasy. Our tester also mentioned that when their cat would start to interact with the catio, for example, by jumping onto one of the 3 platform areas, the structure would shake, causing the cat to become scared. And finally at number 1, we have the Cat Salarium Sun Room package. Your cat already loves staring out the window, swatting at every animal it sees. So why not just get a perch that hangs directly outside the window for them to get a closer look? We tested this window catio with a 1-year-old kitty, and it was installed into the cat's favorite window. Our tester reported it took their cat about a day to understand how to use the cat flap entry to the solarium, but now uses the space every single day and has even worked out a few different ways to perch inside. The solarium's half-circle design protrudes outside of the window, giving your cat the ability to sit outside with a 180-degree view of the environment. It's durable enough to hold a 50-pound cat, and comes in a wide variety of configurations. There is a base-level minimal version, but the sunroom package includes a screen to keep out bugs and the cat flap door, which lets you shut off the catio when it's time for your cat to come inside.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon